Understanding Windfall Profits, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting financial term, windfall profits. This term is not just important in finance, but also commonly used in news and everyday conversations. Let's dive in to understand what it means and how you can use it in your own discussions. Windfall profits refer to a large amount of money that is won or received unexpectedly. This could be due to a sudden surge in business success, an unexpected inheritance, or any scenario where a large sum of money is gained without prior planning or effort. It's like a pleasant financial surprise that comes your way without any warning. The term, windfall, originally comes from an Old English law. Back then, people were only allowed to collect wood that had fallen from trees naturally. Literally, wood that was brought by a windfall. Over time, this idea of receiving something unexpectedly and without effort evolved into the financial term we use today. Let's look at some examples to understand windfall profits better. 1. A company may experience windfall profits if it discovers a natural resource on its property unexpectedly. 2. Winning a lottery is a classic example of a person receiving windfall profits. 3. Businesses may also gain windfall profits from sudden market changes, like a sharp increase in demand for their product. Now, let's practice using this term. Here are a few sentence examples. The tech company reported windfall profits after the unexpected success of their new product. She invested in stocks casually and was surprised by the windfall profits she made when the market boomed. The government imposed a tax on windfall profits to ensure fair economic distribution. That's all for today's lesson on windfall profits. Remember, it's a term that signifies unexpected financial gain, and it's quite handy in various discussions about finance and economy. I hope this video helps you understand and use this term confidently in your English conversations. See you in our next lesson, and keep practicing.